You can check your apps on the Google Play Store. So you can go into Google Play Store. So Play Store, press Play Store. So after you get into the Play Store, swipe up until you find My Apps. You get into My Apps. So this is all your apps over there. Recently updated apps. And this is Google Pay. Particularly, you say here is WearOS by Google installed. By accident, I uninstalled this app. After I realized, I immediately come back to the My Apps again, and I just update this. It was uninstalled, but when I see in my app, it's saying update. There's the update button. So I press the update button. This WearOS was installed again. And after that, when I check the WearOS version, and I found it was upgraded from 2.0 to 2.24. So if you're trying to upgrade WearOS version, and this might be one way, and I just did it by accident. So now I have the version 2.24. So now you see I have the version 2.24, just upgraded by accident. And I don't know if I didn't delete it, it would be upgraded or not. But I tried before that, it didn't upgrade. After I by accident deleted the WearOS, and then I reinstalled, and it came back as the latest version 2.24.